This video demonstrates the usage of Siemens Simcenter 3D application on AppStream for CAD Assembly Pre-processing, solving, and post-processing activities. The user connects to AppStream Machine and launches the Simcenter application and loads an assembly model part. The user can seamlessly transfer the assembly geometry directly from the NX CAD environment to the Simcenter Simulation environment in the same UI. Once the simulation environment is loaded, the model meshing can be accomplished with automated tetrahedral mesh type and discretization process, followed by assigning the material to each of the mesh. In order to perform the simulation, we need to apply the boundary conditions, which includes loads and constraints. Since this is a subassembly model consisting of two parts in it, user would need to assign the contacts with an automatic contact option in Simcenter 3D. For the simulation, a downward pressure constraint is applied on the contact points highlighted. This constitutes pre-processing phase of the model. The user then hits the solve button to begin the computation by the solver engine. Solving completion time can vary according to the complexity of the constraint applied and the compute power of the host machine. Once the solving is completed, the user can visualize the results in post-processing with options like absolute model to see the deformations of the assembly part due to the pressure constraint applied. The user can also view the animation of magnitude displacement of the material or distortion of the model when external pressure is applied. The user can also save or export the result dataset.